How do wind turbines create noise pollution? Imagine standing near a wind farm on a breezy day. You might hear a gentle whooshing sound that seems to come from nowhere. That sound is actually the wind turbines working to generate electricity. Wind turbines produce noise mainly from two sources: aerodynamic noise and mechanical noise. Aerodynamic noise happens when the blades cut through the air. The tips of the blades move very fast, creating a swooshing or swishing sound. This is because the blades are pushing through turbulent air, which causes vibrations and sound waves. When the blades pass near the tower, they can reflected sound, adding to the noise. Mechanical noise comes from inside the turbine. The gearbox, generator, and other moving parts inside the nacelle, which is the housing on top of the tower, make noise as they operate. These parts turn and vibrate, producing a hum or whine that can be heard from a distance. Modern wind turbines are designed to be quieter. Typically at about 300 meters away, their noise levels are between 35 and 45 decibels. That's roughly the sound of a refrigerator or a quiet street. Still, some people find certain sounds, especially tonal noises, more noticeable or annoying. These sounds can be more prominent during quiet times like at night when ambient noise is low. To manage noise, energy companies use several strategies. They design blades with smooth, streamlined shapes to reduce turbulence and vibration. Inside the nacelle, they add soundproofing to limit mechanical noise. They also control the turbine's operation, adjusting speeds based on wind conditions to keep noise levels down. When planning wind farms, developers carefully choose locations from homes and sensitive areas. They use acoustic modeling to predict noise levels and ensure they stay within legal limits. Sometimes, they build sound barriers or set easements to block noise from reaching residences. Communication with local communities is also important to address concerns. Although wind turbine noise can be bothersome to some, especially during quiet nights or when tonal sounds are present, it usually stays below the threshold set by regulations to protect public health. Utilities often operate turbines at reduced speeds during sensitive times to keep noise within acceptable limits. In the end, wind turbines create noise through the blades slicing through the air and the internal parts moving inside the nacelle. By designing carefully, controlling operation, and working with communities, energy companies aim to keep noise levels manageable while providing clean, renewable energy.